Katnat Information Technology and Communication ka Sarkar Jala ka Aproi Trek Unailor Arhajar Arpoi Kumo Jule Manong Snam Nadu Snam Arjar Nyo Kalapin ko buram bat Aimen CM ki Samla Puli ki Balawan Sakhamat Hak Result Exam SSLC Mentau Snam Ki samla ki layop diang de ki laptop na katnat hak jelang ke pelong hayojana bawan sekretariat hak jiran lang ba Hamlet Sandoling menteri badai kimi yakrat IT ansi ka sarkar jela kumukongsan na ki shispa riwar ngot hakani ka sila sam saki lai penyungut ki samla pule kat bay ki wepat pansa sam hadien namar ka jinghap ban but renti yak kendon yada COVID-19 bat amsyam lakhot lut yaki syaka jingalang nakaliang ki khna puli ki lapen paw yak jingai khuble yak sarkar jela kbala sim yak nik sinjam ban aimen sim patnang ya chakman ki lapen paw ru ka jing e hakaliang ka puli puti na ka jing sakta ka khlam COVID-19.
We would like to express our gratitude to the government of Uganda for recognizing our achievements and for honoring us today. With the pandemic, we are faced with so many unfamiliar hardships, especially when it comes to our studies. And we are still trying to adjust to these new normals. One thing that I think not only we sitting here today, but each and every student out there can agree that throughout these past 2 years, we are weighed down by this overwhelming feeling of demotivation, which is only natural. And so we are extremely grateful that the government of Uganda is rewarding us today, because this will act as a constant reminder to each and every student out there that no matter the situation, no matter the doubts, and no matter the many uncertainties that we may face in life, one thing will always be constant, and that is you will always reap the fruits of your hard work.
Dalam episode menonton Ramadan Saint Mary's Salon on School Salon, Kuziran School, Kuziran Education, Baliwan Community, Ramakrishna Mission.
Uba Hamlet Sandoling haba ajingkan ulakan tuik samla bakinyai bai syakmat namar kindai maki kalawai ya kajala. Uluong baka puli dang li kadai kecing pengkrea bahkan kala longpat ke jingdon jing em hakalasai la sisngi. Haka juga Paul ambuat hapadeng ke kelam COVID-19 ki kena ki lapen yak jing IT lot ban tresitam pat ban yok kai yoso ubat hiang ke jing tresitam. Ki wei ki bedon lang ki kentup yo ba MR Senram Commissioner Secretary Katnat Information and Technology ke Sarkar Jela ba ki El Nongbri Director lembat ki wipat ki officer Katnat.
Friends, you will say that this program might be small, tiny one, but it will have a big impact in your life. To get the recognition is not a matter of joke. It is the big achievement. That's why the government of Namibia, or the IT department, we would like to continue this program because we feel that it is a very program and the students get approaching with this program. So I do hope that the program that we do to organize will not go in vain. We are looking at you. You are the future of the state. It is you. One day you will come and take over to run the state. We would like to see that. We have a lot of IAS officers, MSS, IAS, MSS officers in the state. But one day, they have to be retired. One day they will be retired from the service. Who will come and sit here as secretary to run this beautiful state? Of course, we need officers also from the state to come to the state. Well, fine. But we will love to see that our own young person here will take over to run the state. This is the importance of this program. We recognize your hard work, we recognize your achievement, but please don't make useless. very difficult time for you. From 18 to 25, 26, it is a very crucial age. Lots of temptations, lots of ups and downs is there. But mind you, do take in your life. Education is one of the top priority in your life. I would like to urge upon you, please don't give hope, don't lose hope, but do have vision, do have the spirit to fulfill your ambition. I know each and every one of you, you have the aim in life. You have the ambition. Many of you, somebody want to become doctor, somebody want to become the engineer, somebody want to become IAS and all. This does not come easily like that. But you have to strive and work hard.